Keith, Augusta, Maine. It's something I already did at work and decided that I wanted to start doing it for myself, and if I'm going to go to that level, I was going to have to make sure that I fine-tuned all the skills to make sure I gave 100% quality to all my people. Definitely opened my eyes. There's a lot of things that I thought I knew that I actually didn't know. So I feel really confident about going back and already getting things established. The most important, really getting your hands on everything is the way to really do it, so you can actually have the trainer right there correct you as you needed to. As soon as I can get things established and I get a few employees, I'm definitely going to send them this way.
My name is Evan Ostrowski. I'm from Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania. Over a year ago, I discovered a few YouTube channels that I liked and followed, so I found like the nearest and best program I could find, and it turns out I found it here at Detail King. I thought I learned a lot, definitely more than I expected, very in-depth, very descriptive, and I'll definitely be using that information moving forward. So these were the parts of the class that I was most looking forward to actually getting in there and getting to work and learning hands-on, and I believe it was very, very helpful to springboard my career. Of course, definitely. I think this is the place to be, especially if, say you own a business already. I would definitely recommend running your employees through this program.
I'm Mark Meikle. I'm from Phoenix City, Alabama. I decided to come because I have a passion for detailing. I started a business 5 months ago, and I decided to come here to sharpen my skills and learn some new things. It was very good because there's things I had questions about, and it clarifies it and teaches me other things I didn't know. The hands-on training was very good. I like the fact that we actually had real vehicles to work with and not just panels. And the instructors are right there with us and one-on-one, and that was great. I definitely do so. And because I searched for a while for classes, I looked at some others, and when I find Detail King, I think it was the right one, and yes.
My name is Keith Boss. I'm from Peoria, Arizona. So I'm in the process of starting my business, and before I got my boots on the ground, I wanted to have all the proper procedures and protocols for, cleaning a car successfully and correctly. So I wanted to learn from the professionals. Business class was really good. It set a good foundation for me for what I need to do when I get back home. I really enjoyed all the personal, real-life stories of the instructors and what they've done with their businesses throughout the year in Detail King. The hands-on was really great. Got your hands dirty. I sweat quite a bit, so I know I was working hard and got to use all the different tools and expensive equipment you need to successfully clean a car and detail it. So I was happy to get hands-on training by the professionals once again. Yeah, I definitely would refer somebody. I think it's beneficial for somebody who's already in the business or just getting in. Really, it's important that you do everything properly to provide the best service to your customers.
My name is Joe Campbell from Atlanta, Georgia. I came to Detail King because I believe in getting all the knowledge I can when I'm starting a new business, really immersing myself in all the things that I need to know, the trends, the culture, everything that goes about it. I love the business class because, again, I got knowledge that I wouldn't get online or from different forums, because talking to somebody and being there in the class is actually different. Just get little nuggets of wisdom that you wouldn't get virtually. The hands-on classes were really great too because, again, you know, doing something physically is different from learning it on YouTube or via video, just because, you know, if I'm using a technique to buff a car and the trainer shows me a better technique, then, you know, I've already gained knowledge that way. So absolutely, I got value for my money, and I'm really big on that. So if I didn't get value for money, I wouldn't refer anybody to it.
My name is Kate Herden. I'm from Eastern Montana. I've been wanting to start my own business for a while now, and this business is a demand in my area. It's not being met. And I found Detail King online, and it had everything I was looking for. I didn't want to be a person showing up with a jug of Armor All and a shop vac. I want to be somebody that could be taken seriously and provide quality services. It was very helpful. That was a big part of why I was attracted to this class. Just knowing what to look out for, how to protect your business, and how to get started on the right foot. Also very helpful. All the instructors were there to answer any questions I had. I really wanted to get my hands on the equipment and know what I did like, what I didn't like, what to invest my money in. Absolutely, 100%.